Maths Upon a Time. Audrey and the Golden Equation of Mathoria. Audrey stared at the math problem. 5 times, open bracket 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 close bracket, minus 1. It felt like a riddle written in spaghetti. The numbers shimmered, and the room spun in a flash of gold. The golden equation, whispered an ancient voice, can only be unlocked by the true path. The order of operations. She tumbled onto soft moss in a strange, logical world named Mathoria. Before her stood a colossal stone gate, sealed by an equation and guarded by a wise, cloaked figure named the Principia. I am parentheses, the Principia boomed. To pass, you must listen to my whispers first. What I hold inside is always most urgent. The problem on the gate was 4 times open bracket 2 plus 6 close bracket. If I multiply first, Audrey mused, I get 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. The Principia shook his head. Group first. Solve the parentheses. Audrey smiled. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Then, 4 times 8 is equal to 32. The gate swung open. Always address the parentheses first, the Principia advised. Next, she faced the land of exponents, a canyon crossed by wobbly platforms. A swift, tower-building architect named Dynamis called down from a high spire. My power is in height. I tell the number how many times to multiply itself. You must calculate 3 to the power of 4 to extend the bridge. Audrey knew that calculating 3 times 4 would be wrong. The exponent tells me how many times to multiply the base by itself, she shouted. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. The platform solidified, creating a steady, solid path. Power must be calculated early, Dynamis praised. The path led to a bustling twin marketplace, ruled by Milo, multiplication, and Diva, division. Milo zoomed by multiplying supplies. Diva carefully split resources. We are partners and equals, they announced together. We work from left to right. No favorites. Their challenge was a real-world problem. A baker made 48 cookies. He packaged them into groups of 6, then sold each group for $3. Write the final equation, and solve 48 divide by 6 times 3. If you multiply first, 6 times 3 is equal to 18, and then 48 divide by 18 makes no sense. Diva warned. The total money will be wrong. I must go left to right, Audrey declared. 48 divide by 6 is 8 packages. Then 8 times 3 is $24. Milo cheered. Correct. Multiplication and division are on the same level. You must solve them as you read them, from left to right, to keep the balance. Finally, she reached the serene final meadow. Cheerful Addison, addition, was gathering flowers, and thoughtful Sterling, subtraction, was clearing away thorns. We are the gentle finish, Addison sang. We simply gather or clear what's left, also from left to right. The final puzzle combined all the steps into the golden equation. 5 times open bracket 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 close bracket minus 1. Audrey followed the order. 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 4, exponent. Then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, parentheses. Then 5 times 7 is equal to 35, multiplication. Then 35 minus 1 is equal to 34, subtraction from left to right. The final number, 34, unlocked the golden scroll. The world faded, and Audrey was back at her desk. The equation now made perfect sense. She realized that Mathoria wasn't just about finding numbers. It was about logical sequencing. Every problem, big or small, needs a true step-by-step process. The golden equation wasn't the answer itself, but the way to the answer. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply/divide, add/subtract, was the roadmap to clarity. Always follow the steps, and every mystery in math and in life will unfold.